On the menu today is Sobolo or Hibiscus tea. This juice is nutritious aside the fact that it's delicious. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is a passionate food lover and you're most welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So for this, we are going to need 2 cups of hibiscus tea leaves or sobolo leaves, and then I'm going to fill my container with water. I love the sound of water pouring in, so I decided not to mute it. So after filling it with water to the brim, I'm going to leave it for it to rest for about 1 to 2 hours so that I can have enough juice come in. And after resting for about an hour, I was content with the way things were, so I decided to put it on the heat to start simmering my juice. So whilst that is happening, all I'm going to do is to cut up some fruits. I have an orange plant in my, is it an orange plant or an orange tree? Let me know in the comment section below. But I have this orange thing in my house, so I just plucked some, washed it, and then cut it into pieces because I'm going to boil it with my sobolo leaves. And it was quite blunt, so it was difficult for me cutting up my orange, but in the end I was able to cut them into beautiful shapes. So here we are. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have made it this far into watching my video. I have a lot of content on my channel and I have a lot of content coming up, so please check out my channel for more content. I had one subscriber telling me to make something that she can prepare for the kids, something healthy without her using an oven because she doesn't have an oven. So if you are that subscriber, you can make this juice for your children because it is healthy and it's also delicious. This juice has, because of the ginger in it, it helps with if you have a cough or if you have a cold, it helps you to really get rid of it. So right now I had some frozen pineapple peels in my freezer, so I'm just bringing them out because I'm going to boil it also in my sobolo juice. That's what exactly I'm doing right now. I'm just putting my pineapple peels in my juice. I'll go ahead and also add my orange peels to this too. Also, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are really the best. You can also get interactive with me on Instagram. I'm going to link it on the description box below, and I'm also going to leave it on the screen. Thank you. While that is boiling, I'm just going to sieve my blended ginger. So after sieving it once, I'm just going to get the juice out of the residue and then blend the residue again because it still have some ginger content in it that is going to make your juice extra spicy. So I'm just going ahead to blend it again and then sieve it so that I get extra ginger. This ginger has a lot of health benefits, so like I said, if you have a cold or if you have catarrh, whatever it is, you taking this juice will help you get rid of it. I have my dad testifying that he had some pain in his chest. Not that I'm a certified doctor in anything, but it helps a lot. Like you can get rid of any pain that you're feeling. So that is it. Right now I'm content with how my juice has boiled and how everything is going, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and let it rest or cool down so that I can really use it. And after cooling down, this is what we have. I'm just going ahead to squeeze the juice out of the oranges. Please make sure that your hands are clean, and then also get out some of the sobolo leaves, as much of sobolo leaves that I can get out of the juice before sieving it. So like I said, I'm just trying to get as much sobolo leaves as I can from my juice to make sieving easier because it's quite difficult sieving with a lot of leaves, Sobolo leaves in it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, guys, if you have made it this far in watching my video, please do also subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up because it helps me a lot. Thank you. So right now I'm just going to sieve because I think I've gotten as much Sobolo leaves as I wanted from it, and after sieving it, this is what I have. I know that you can probably see some little particles in my juice, but not to worry, that is just ginger, some ginger particles, because I was lazy, guys. I didn't peel my ginger, I just blended it all, because I mean ginger peels also have a lot of benefits. So yeah, this is me pouring my ginger into my Sobolo, and look at how suddenly the color changed. Like, it was extra spicy. If you don't like a lot of ginger, please reduce the ginger content that you're going to use, but it's helpful, so I like it. So what I'm doing right now is adding sugar to my Sobolo for taste. In total, I added 1.5 cups of sugar, but if you have a sweet tooth and then you want a lot of sugar, you can make it 2 cups. And then if you want this extra nutritious, you can reduce the amount of sugar. Probably leave it at half cup, or even not to add sugar, because I mean, either ways you can really enjoy it. So yeah, at this point my Sobolo juice is ready and ready to be served. It's better served cold or ice. So right now all I'm doing is adding ice to my cup to make it extra chilled. So I'm just pouring in some of the Sobolo into my cup, and then I mean, I couldn't wait to enjoy this, guys. So this is me being a little extra, adding an orange to my cup. But yeah, guys, the Sobolo was nice and nutritious and was spicy. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of my video. Please do go to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.